Okay guys, what we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go anti-clockwise now. So we're doing the sweep stroke on the right side, okay, lifting the right knee and putting your weight to your left butt cheek. So, sweep stroke on the right, right knee up, okay. So for you, Nick, sweep stroke and look into it. Paddle up again. That's it. It's good.
Hey.
Yeah, it's good. It was there to rescue yourself, yeah?
Oh, I was nearly gone then.
He's nearly gone and he rescued himself.
I was nearly gone. I thought I had a moment to think, which way do I